Anyone tried? So regular expressions, right? We talked about last time.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Email. Right.
Yeah. Email regular expression completed. Email regular expression. Is it done or not done?
Not yet done, sir.
Not yet done. Okay. Tell me how we can write the email regular expression. Anyone?
Before at the rate, at least we have some specific either alphabets or numeric.
Okay. First, as you said, the email should starts with the alphabet only, right? It's not like a numeric.
Okay.
In general, okay. In your case, did you find anywhere the email starts with a digit? Email starts with a digit. Anytime did you find? No, right?
Mm.
No, right?
No,
So
sir.
my email should starts with a alphabet only. A alphabet only. So what you need to do? My email should starts with an alphabet only.
A to Z.
Okay, first, okay, either lowercase a to z or uppercase a to z, you can use it. Either lowercase a to z or uppercase a to z. Okay, it should be minimum one. Okay, it should be minimum or maximum one required. If I go with validate with it in the forward direction or backward, it should be starts with a digit. Okay, start with sorry, alpha beta false. If I go with a, yes, true. If I go with a, yes, true. Yes or no? What about next one? The next one.
Oh, then after that we can add character numbers also. We can put.
After this one, we can add numbers, we can add alphabets, we can add, and special characters also we can add. And special characters, which characters? Tell me, special characters. In special characters, which are
Like
At the rate.
underscore? Most of the times we can see
uh,
underscore. The next one,
dollar.
underscore, dot also, right? Okay. Tell me that.
Yeah.
Now here, digits also. The digits also possible. Okay, you can add it.
0 to 9.
Okay,
Okay.
next
Dot underscore. Okay.
possible.
It may.
Alphabets also possible. Next underscore also. Okay or not? Underscore also.
Yeah.
Okay. Now here, a 1 2 3. A 1 2 3. Minimum how many? Maximum how many? Your wish, you can tell minimum one, okay, maximum any number. Minimum one, no, maximum any number. Now see, A1 2 3, okay, ABC working or not. So underscore it's working. Dot, okay, DEF it's not working. Dot DEF not working. If I remove this dot and add underscore, it's working. Okay, so dot you have to mention. Dot you have to mention. Dot you have to mention. So as you
Unders.
like underscore, if I put like dot, okay, if I remove this one, if I write something like this, okay, working or agreed? Come on. Next, after dot, in between whatever you want to put, you can put it. What next? What next?
and at the rate of
At the
each
symbol, right?
yeah,
Okay. SS underscore 123 at the rate. Okay, if I remove this one, not working. So at the rate symbol. Yes. Next,
after that okay, again alphabets are the thing if it is Gmail or company or
Gmail like
Yahoo.
this, right? It is
Yeah.
not no domain is like digits. Just you can put like characters. Okay. So how we can put the characters? How we can put the characters? Tell me. I need some.
A, A to Z again minimum
Okay, I have to get the
after at the rate.
get the A to Z. Next.
The end dot com
A to Z. How many? Minimum how many? Maximum how many? That is important.
minimum I think we can add Gmail.
Okay, 0 to or minimum 1 to,
One,
okay,
two,
no domain name is like a dot com something, right? Minimum.
yeah,
Okay, 3, 4, something like this. Minimum 3, maximum any. Minimum 3, maximum any. So, can I write like Gmail?
yeah,
Okay, yes or no?
yes.
Okay, next what?
After that dot com is mandatory.
After that, dot again the mandatory or not? After that, dot again the mandatory. So if you put like a dot here, now see directly if you write like a dot, it is not validating or not. Whenever you use like a dot character, okay, outside directly in the expression, okay, just you can add like backslash to recognize this particular special character as like dot slash dot. If you write like it's like a dot only, now it is not okay, validated, right? Your data is not matched with the pattern. So here you can put like what dot. Now it is okay. Yes or no? After that, after dot,
Dot com or dot in.
again some characters you can put it. Okay,
Mm,
minimum 2 to maximum any number. Okay, now can I write like a dot com dot com? Okay, sometimes dot co dot in also, right?
mm,
Okay, dot co. Okay, if it is not there, if we write like this, co dot in, it's not working, right? So what you have to do here, dot, you have to mention. Now you can write like what? Okay, dot co dot in also. This is my simple regular expression pattern to validate what? Simple regular expression pattern to validate an email or not. Okay, na? Okay? Okay then. Now, can you tell me, any one of you, one business, okay, one logic I'm expecting from you to this. Whenever the user entered the data in the first user ID text box, these user ID, password, all the text boxes you defined by using the data, which is like formatted like what area of objects or not? Yes or no? First tell me. Come on. You formatted this particular text box, okay, with this data. Okay, you formatted password text box with this data or not? Yes, no. Tell me. One.
yes.
This data object represents this particular field. So what field, what properties are required? My label, user ID, mandatory properties tell me.
Name.
And my value by default empty. Next one. Next one. next one.
Name you can. Name error message.
The next one is like name to get the or hold the user ID. Next error by default empty. Next error by default empty. Next error by default empty. What next?
Types.
Now I want to validate this particular user ID. Okay, I want to validate this particular user ID data. Okay, tell me the criteria. Tell me the criteria. Validation criteria. Tell me. Validation criteria.
User ID, it is a it contains either alphabet character. It starts with the alphabets, and it may contain some character numeric digits.
Like required field.
Yeah.
One is like required field.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So the next one is like it should be in which format? One is like required field. The next one is like it should be in which format?
Well, the format you can give
Email format.
regular.
Yes or no? So criteria, I want to define the first criteria is any user. Okay, naming convention you can use anything, but it should represent proper way. A required field. So required one, that is one thing. What next? Required is one thing. What next? Email pattern or not? Okay, see, I can understand by seeing this criteria. Okay, my value whatever entered in the text box, so that should be required means it should not empty. The next one is what? That value should match with which pattern? Should match with which pattern? That value should match with which pattern? Come on.
Email pattern. It should match with email regular expression.
That value should match with the email pattern or not? That value should match with the email pattern. Agreed? Okay. Now my question is, whenever I enter the data, yes, sir. Okay, I want to validate this particular yes. For that, I need to write some logic. Tell me, can anyone tell me the JavaScript logic? How we can handle this? Understood my question, right? Whenever you enter the data in the text box, okay, against, okay, this text box by default value is what? Empty. Now the value is like what? Yes. This yes match with this pattern or not? If it is match with the first pattern, okay, not empty. If it is not match the second pattern, what is the error message? Enter valid email. Like this, you need to update the value and error fields based on your criteria or not. Agreed, everyone? Tell me. Understood, Manindra?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want the JavaScript logic for this. Can you tell me?
So once you enter into the value, it should trigger that event. In that event, we are handling that pattern.
Whenever you enter the data in the text box, okay, na? you have to take the data. So tell me, this text box you created like one separate component, input component or not?
We have created.
Yes. By using which event we can listen the changes in the text box?
Handler
On change. Whenever the on change event is like triggered, now this particular on change gives me event. By using that event, I can get the target, I can get the value or not. I can get the value. That's all. Now that value you have to upgrade in your array of objects or not. Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how we can upgrade? Okay, that particular object only you have to upgrade, not all, right? How we can upgrade the first particular object? Okay, you can iterate or you can find method you can use, you can iterate it. While iterating, wherever the name is like user ID, event.target.name is like user ID, then I can understand this is my expected object. In this object, which values you want me to change?
Value we need to
Value,
update.
perfect. Value, you have to you have to change it. Next,
And if
error. Error. Okay, so you have to do one thing. You can iterate all. You can iterate all. Okay, whenever it is match the name with your event dot, come on, event dot target dot
target dot
name.
value. Yeah.
Okay, name. Okay, even dot target dot name, then only, right? You can find this is user ID password. Now you can get the previous data. Don't change the previous data. Okay, same spread operator you can use it, previous object. Now I want to do value. I have to upgrade with the event dot target dot value. And the next one, what do you need to upgrade? What do you need to upgrade?
Error.
Error. Okay, you have to do check pattern here or not. Yes or no? Whenever you do the check pattern, it returns me either empty string or it is returns me something. Okay, that particular one you have to assign to my error or not. Got my point?
Okay.
Yeah. Hmm? Understood the logic?
Yes.
Okay, that one can you people try from your end?
Yes.
Okay, just try from your end. Okay. Swami, are you okay with that course completion certificate?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your voice is very low. Okay, then tomorrow. Anyway, today it is not 5 p.m. It's not possible, right? Okay, then tomorrow you can join. Same time. Okay, just try this logic. Okay. Thank you, guys.